Line voltage 220 volt 50 Hz. Energy meter. Switchboard. Electric TV. Electric light. Electric fan. 1 PSC fan dimmer. 3 PSC switch. 1 PSC socket. Electric pole phase input to meter terminal. Electric pole neutral input to meter terminal. Meter neutral output socket light fan connection. Meter phase output switch connection. Switch output socket input T connection. Switch output dimmer input T connection. Dimmer output fan input T connection. Switch output light input T connection. Fan switch on, fan running. Fan switch off, fan off. Light switch on, light on. Light switch off, light off. Socket switch on, TV on.